I wanted to do a video for you all to show you the Nordstrom beauty picks that I have from this year's anniversary sale. A lot of these, well, actually all of these are items that I already have and things that I love every day, I use every day. Starting out with, I know you all have heard me talk about this to no end, it's Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. And it usually comes every year in a kit during the anniversary sale, and this year it does as well. This is just a great everyday color. The lip gloss itself is a little bit lighter than the lipstick, and it gives a very glossy appearance. And then you can see the lipstick is more matte, and this is just a really great bargain for an everyday lip color. All right, moving on next, the Beauty Bio GloPro. So this is a microneedling device that also has a red light feature, and when you are microneedling, it's also using that red light to improve wrinkles and fine lines. So this is the actual device, and you can see it has pretty small microneedles on it, but it also vibrates and has that red light as well. It comes with an attachment that can be used for the under eye area. So this is like a much more narrow attachment, and you can really get in under the eyes. It also has these eye patches that you can use, collagen eye patches, and it comes with a cream as well. So you can get this whole set. But if you're looking to get into microneedling, I think this is a great starter for you. Basically because it's not going to be like too intense. The needles aren't that long in depth, so it'll be great for somebody that's just getting started. And it also has all these other things like this attachment with it as well. Okay, so this is something else that is in the sale this year, the Jumbo Dr. Lancer Method, the polish. So this is just one item that I like, that I use in my everyday skincare routine. My friend Camille, she actually used to work for Dr. Lancer doing marketing for them a long time ago. We were on a trip together and she had this, and I actually ran out of face wash, and I was like, I need to use your face wash. And she said, here, use this, the polish by Dr. Lancer. So I did, and I became obsessed with it, and then I got my own. It's available in the sale in a jumbo size, so that's a really good deal because this is a great facial scrub and it'll last you a really long time. Okay, so one of the things I still get asked about to this day is the NuFace device, and I did a video on the NuFace probably 7 or 8 years ago. It was one of the first YouTube videos that I put up, and I'll still get comments on that video asking if I still use it, if I like it. The thing with the NuFace is that you have to be consistent with it. You have to use it pretty much every day to every other day for you to see results. So it's a microcurrent device, and it's gonna lift and tone. You have to have this gel with it, this gel primer. If you run out of this, you can just use some stuff that you can get on Amazon. But you put the primer on first, and then you're gonna go up the sides of your face, and it beeps whenever you're at the stopping point, and then you go to the other side. So it really does work. You really do see results, but you have to be consistent with it. So if you're looking to really up your skincare game, definitely give this a try and get one of these. I'm just telling you that you're gonna have to use it, be really good about using it, and be diligent about it. All right, so this curling iron is the GHD Soft Curl, and I know I've talked about it a lot in my stories, but I just love it because it gives your curls a very full and soft appearance. It doesn't leave creases, and I feel like it doesn't damage your hair as much because the barrel is made out of this really soft kind of silicone material, and I just love it. It's a great curling iron, and I know it's a little bit pricey, but I have used mine for 2 years now, and it still works great. So still talking about hair, this hair dryer is also in the sale. This is the T3 Curalux hair dryer. I use the same hair dryer for like 10 years, And finally, I think it was last year, it just died, so I had to get a new one. But I love this one because it has different heat settings, it has different speed settings, and then also a really nice feature is that as soon as you move your hand off of it, it turns off. So there's no worry about like accidentally leaving it on or anything. And then it also has these detachable pieces that you can use to style your hair differently. And I also like it because it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's white and pink and it looks really nice. Okay, so the Beauty Blender is something that I use almost every time I wear makeup. I think if you're looking for a flawless, dewy finish, you really need to use a Beauty Blender type thing. And I personally am loyal to the Beauty Blender brand of makeup sponge. I've tried other ones. I've tried ones that are supposed to be dupes, and I can't get the same results, so I keep going back to the original. But in the anniversary sale, there is a set, and you get a couple of Beauty Blenders. You get the cleansing soap, and then you also get a little like carrier if you're traveling. So that is a really good deal if you love the Beauty Blender like I do. All right, so I don't have my silk pillowcase in here because it's got like holes in it. I'm getting the new one for this sale, so I'll spare you from seeing my old one. But silk pillowcases are essential for making sure your hair stays healthy while you're sleeping, your skin. It makes sure that you don't have like creases on your face or wake up with creases, which over time can cause wrinkles. So there are these Slip brand pillowcases in the Nordstrom anniversary sale every year, and I usually get them every year. And then they also make a line of scrunchies, which I love because I wear my hair up a lot. And if you use a silk scrunchie, it doesn't damage your hair as much, it doesn't leave lines, and it also is just a lot more comfortable for you when you're wearing your hair up. All right, a couple more things and we'll finish up here. I didn't have the small little travel sizes of these fragrances, but they are available in the sale. It's LeLabo Santal 33, which is one of their kind of cult favorite scents. And then it's in a package with another 13, which I got this in London a couple of years ago. I honestly didn't know it was like a popular scent of theirs. I just liked the smell of it. So you can get another 13 with the Santal 33, and you can have like a nice range of fragrances for fall and winter. Okay, last thing. And these candles, you can see how much we use these because they're a little dirty and they're almost gone. But Diptyque does a set every year of these little small candles. I think there are like 5 or 6 in the set. And I just have them all over our house. Like I'll put them in on my vanity. I'll put them on the TV stand. I'll put them in the entryway table. They're just great, aesthetically pleasing little candles. They also smell wonderful. Pretty much every scent that they make I like. And that's saying a lot because I have a very picky nose to scents. So I love all of the Diptyque candle smells that come in that set. Okay, that is everything that I wanted to talk about. There were a few other items that I will link in my collage and my post, and I will link everything here as well, but check out the blog post that goes with this video, and also check out my Instagram stories. All right, bye.